guys, it's Ray Rosebud. Happy 4th of July. I'm on my way to my aunt's house like usual. We're gonna have a barbecue. Kind of tired of barbecue food, but I'm looking forward to them ribs. I had them marinating for like 3 hours now. But yeah, right now on my lips I have the new lip gloss from MAC, Bittersweet Me. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. I'm not a lipstick person anymore, but I kind of miss having color, especially this purpley brown color I always wear. So having this lip gloss and one lip gloss I have to use to get this color, so I'm super happy about that. So yeah, what do you guys do for 4th of July? Comment down below. Oh, let me show you guys what I got. Shout out to Ulta for reshipping my package that got stolen, and whoever took my package, I hope these products give you allergic reaction. Anywho, the first thing I got was these triple size cotton balls because I ran out of mine. I usually get mine from CVS, but since I was already buying stuff on Ulta, I was like, let me just pick some up. Then the first time ever that I ordered something from Morphe, and this is just the highlight brush. Next thing is from MAC. Oh, this is the lip gloss in Bittersweet Me. It was actually on sale. I think it's $17 and it was on sale for $14. Not much, but like, you know, it's still a little something off. So this is how the Bittersweet Me lip gloss from MAC looks like. The next thing I got is more Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizing gel. If you guys didn't know, the gel, they have a gel and lotion one. The gel one is really good if you have, if you have oily skin. So I really love this moisturizer. It makes my face feel soft, and it actually moisturizes. You know, some moisturizers you put on and it's like, what's the point of you? This doesn't do that. I love it. Then I got this E.L.F matte putty primer. They have the regular one, and then they have this one for oily skin people, which is me. It's summertime and my skin gets even more oily. Next, I purchased the mineralized skin finish powder in, I think it's deep or dark. I used to use this powder when I first started out with makeup, which was like when I was around like 17 or whatever. And I bought it then, and it was like the best powder ever. It makes my skin look so smooth and nice. And then I just never repurchased it. They even have a new packaging. The one I used to have was that, I think I still have here because I do that whole back to MAC things. But it used to have a clear thing here that you can see the powder. But this is how it looks. Look how smooth it looks. And I don't know why I never repurchased it, because it was like the best powder ever. Then I just got the Essie. This is topless and barefoot. I love this nail polish color. I mentioned it before in my vlogs, but this is like, it looks beautiful on everybody, but like women of color, this is like the perfect nude for you. I have it on my nails right now. Don't mind my nails. You know, quarantine nails still. But I get this on my toes all the time, because on my nails I do gel now. Unless I find a color that's in gel form like this color, then I'll definitely get it on my nails. But this always is on my toes. If it's not this, is a lavender color, which is my favorite color. And then the last thing I got was another one of this Acure brightening cleansing gel. This is my third bottle or tube. This is my third tube of this stuff. Love it. Again, I mentioned this before in my vlog, but if you didn't know, this is vegan. It's not like vegan, it is vegan. So it's like free of like all that extra stuff face wash be having. So yeah, that's my little Ulta haul.
2 hours later.
Face update. I'm looking a little oily, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm still a little bit oily. It's been like, what time did I come here? I don't.
6.
I didn't come here at 6 o'clock.
I'll put them.
We came here like around 4 something. And it's now 7:01. Not oily like I used to be, But that's a couple of hours since I had this makeup on. Right here I'm oily. My cheek area is always where I get oily. And my forehead and then my nose. I ate too much. It's a full moon, guys. Whoa, that's so weird. I feel like I'm next to the moon. It looks so weird on the camera. Every time I try to record the fireworks, I miss it.
The next day.
But quick Ikea haul. So I got a bunch of stuff in my room and my living room. But I got this crate. I got like 8 of these because I want to put my shoe boxes in this. And then also I got one of those Ikea, what is it? One of those Ikea bookshelves. So I'm going to use these as drawers. And then of course I got some plants. I have to get fake plants because real ones will not survive in my room because my room is in the middle and it only has one window and that window has the AC. So fake plants it is. And the rest of the stuff that I have, you see the pile of shoe boxes, a little bit more and I won't be able to use my switch. So I have to do something with that because it goes all the way down to the bottom. The rest of the stuff I have are in boxes, so it doesn't make sense to show you guys. But once I'm done playing Bob the Builder, I'll show you what I got. Also, I'll link down below everything that I'm showing you guys in this little Ikea haul.
2,000 years later.
Alright you guys, I'm done being Bob the Builder. Breaking down old furniture, reorganize, building new ones. Shout out to my dad for helping me because it wasn't a struggle, but it took forever. So I got this fake plant from, everything's from Ikea, but obviously, wow, I'm losing my marbles. So I got this plant stand, which I'm obsessed with, and I have all my plants on it. And then moving over here, I got the famous Ikea drawer because it's convenient. It holds a lot of stuff, and I'm obsessed with it. And now I see why everyone has it. Don't mind that little thing there. It got chipped while we was building it. Obviously, I don't know. This is not gonna stay like this. I want to like have less stuff on here, but these are things that I need right away. And up here I ended up, ooh, that looks so bad, but I used to have a DIY coat hanger there where I used to hang my bags. That's why it's kind of like chipped there. I'm gonna repaint my room as well. I think I'm gonna go back to all white. This shelf was actually here, but if I keep it there I won't be able to open my drawer, so I kept that one there. But I moved this one over here, which, you know, it doesn't look that bad. And you remember this little area that had shoe boxes on top of each other, almost passing the light? Well, I put it under my wall closet in these baskets. And in the middle, I just have the shoes that I wear all the time. And this is a new coffee table. It's better than the one we had before, because the one we had before was round and really big and you hardly had leg room, and now you have all this room actually. So
The next day.
I just got out the shower and I got my Sephora package, but from Sephora I just got this Laneige lip sleeping mask, and this is what it looks like. This stuff is so moisturizing, and I like that it comes with a little brush, so it looks like this, and you could just take the product instead of dipping your fingers in, which I don't like doing. The next product I got was the Olehenriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I don't know if these things are in focus right now because I can't see from here. And then I got my Fenty by Rihanna. This is the Fenty Glow Lip Gloss, the universal one. If you keep up with my vlogs, you know I love this gloss. This is a must. I was literally running low. I was scraping the inside of my old one. But it lasts really long because this is just my second purchase. And then for free, I actually got Truth Serum. I always hear about this, so I'm excited to try this. I'm actually gonna try this right now because I just washed my face and I toned it with my witch hazel. And now I'm about to use the serum. Let's see. So that felt like I just put water on my face. It's very light. When I think of serums, I think of like oiliness. It's a little bit sticky, but this is for all skin types. It kind of smells like, you remember those really hard bubble gum that they were square and little and thin? That's what it smells like. Now I'm about to put on my eye cream, or should I put on my moisturizer? Guys, I need to stop shopping online. I need to relax. Okay, I like the way how the serum felt with this moisturizer. I never take it down my neck because I use coconut oil to moisturize the rest of my body. Now I'm gonna take the eye cream. Make sure you get those corners and the top of your lid as well. This also feels like water. You're just putting water under your eyes. Am I breaking out? Yes, I am a little bit. You know, the monthly, it went away, but the pimples stays for a couple more days. That rhymes. By the way, I'm using the Rapid Clear Stubborn Acne Spot Gel from Neutrogena. Like I said, if you keep up with my vlogs, you know I talk about this stuff so much. I highly recommend it for treating acne on the spot. Okay, what's next? Oh, the lip. This you're supposed to use at night, and I know they have one that is for like every day, that you can use it whenever. But I'm not going nowhere, and I need my lips to be hydrated at all times. So with a little spoolie, and the little spoolie is like silicone, so that's really cool. And it's like a strawberry smell, but not like a childish strawberry smell, if you know what I mean. Oh, and also when I was shopping on the Sephora website, like I said, I got the Truth Serum for free. But I also got some free samples, which I think I'm gonna buy one of the full price. So I got this Dior, and it's the Dior Addict. They have Stella Shine, Stella Halo Shine, Stella Gloss, but the name, those are the type of glosses, I guess. But the name is Pink Meter, Pink Star, and Mirrored. And Mirrored is the one that I want. I feel like Mirrored is like a really high-end dupe to the Fenty gloss, because this is kind of expensive as well, but not as expensive as this. This is like $30. But look at how cute is this sample. It comes with a little brush, which I'm keeping the little brush in my makeup bag, in my bags, so I could apply my lip products with it and not have to stick my finger in, and it just fell on the floor. I kind of want to see if this really is a dupe. So this is a swatch next to each other. The Fenty's on the left and the Dior is on the right. The Dior looks more glittery. I don't know what you guys think.